Happy morning, dear students. Preschooler age is a time for rapidly growing independence. Preschoolers are different from toddlers in that they are doing the basic life skills, independence or knowledge that they will need as they are enter their school years. Yeah, this is Jansi Rani, MSc Nursing. Today we are going to discuss about the growth and development of preschooler. The preschooler age is 3 to 6 years of age group. Here we are discussing about the what is growth, what is development, and who are the preschoolers and what are the growth and development of the preschoolers. That is gross motor development, fine motor development, and then psychosocial development, psychosexual development, spiritual development, and intellectual development. And we discuss about language, moral development, play, nutrition, developmental problems, and the needs of the preschoolers. These steps we are discussing in this class. Okay, first we discuss about what is growth. Here, the growth, it is a term. The growth refers to an increase in physical size of the whole body or any of its parts. It is simply a quantitative change in the child's body. It can be measured in kgs, pounds, meters, and inches. This is about growth. Next, coming to the development. Development, it refers to progressive increase in skills and capacity of function. It is qualitative change in the child's functions. It can be measured through the observation. Okay, this is about the development. Okay, next we discuss who is a preschooler. Here the preschooler's age group is 3 to 6 years of age group. Okay, this is about overview of today's class. Now coming to the topic growth and development, that is physical development or biological development of preschooler. Here we will discuss about vitals of the preschooler. What are the vitals are here? That is temperature 36.5 degrees centigrade. It is there. Next, coming to the pulse rate, that is 90 to 110 beats per minute. Respiration is 25 plus or minus 5 per minute. Coming to the blood pressure, systolic is 95 to 105 mm of Hg. Diastolic is 53 to 66 mm of Hg. These are the physical development of the preschooler. Okay. Next, coming to the height. How we will identify the child's accurate height. Here we will give one formula, that is age in years into 6 plus 77. This formula we should follow for assessing the height of the preschoolers. Here some given accurate measurements they are given according to, if a child is having 3 years of age group, their approximately age between 90.5 to 101.5 centimeters. If 4 years old child's height is 95 to 109 centimeters. If we are taken 5 years of age group preschoolers, their height is between 103 to 115 centimeters. Okay, according to the formula, we will take one age group children. That age group we will take 4 years of age group. Okay, the age formula is age in years into 6 plus 77. Here we are taking 4 years, 4 into 6. How much it is? 24 plus 77. How much? Here 101 centimeters. Look at this picture. Here 4 years of age group child height is 95 to 109 centimeters. But we are taking how much 4 years of age group height is? 101 centimeters. It is in between the 95 to 109 centimeters. Okay, this is about the height. Next, coming to the weight. Here the weight formula is age in years into 6 plus 8. Okay, this formula you should follow for assessing of weight in preschoolers. Here for example we are taking same 4 years of age group. 4 into 2, 8 plus 8. How much it is? 16 kgs. Approximately 4 years of age child is having approximately 16 kgs. Okay, this is about weight. Coming to the dentition. Here child is having number of deciduous teeth, that is primary teeth is appear in preschoolers. This is about the physical development of the preschooler. All of you clear? Next we will discuss about the gross motor development. Here the gross motor development means how we are assessing child's gross motor development. Here the gross motor development we are assessing child's development of bone, muscle, ability to functions. Okay, here we are assessing their strength, how much the bone activity, and then muscle strength, how they are coordinating, that is gross motor activity. Here we are taking according to the age group, 3 years old child, 4 years and 5 years, how their growth and development is there in the according to their age group. First we are taking 3 years of age group child. Their gross motor development is walks on a straight line. Look at that picture. Child is walks straight line and child is walks backward also. Look at that second picture. Baby is walking back. Okay, in 3rd year old baby or child we are assessing back walking also. Okay, and next one is child stands without looking at feet. Before that, in the toddler age period, baby or child is able to run with watching of their feet, or walk with while walking they are watching their feet. But in preschooler, child is runs without looking at their feet. Okay, this is about 3rd year old age preschooler gross motor development. And 4 years old baby or child gross motor development is here child is kicks a ball. Okay, and ride the tricycle, runs on tiptoes. Here child is balanced on one foot 3 to 5 seconds. Look at the second picture. Child is runs on tiptoes. Okay, this is about the 4 years of age group gross motor development. Next, coming to the 5 years of age group preschooler, their gross motor development. At the age of 5 years, child is able to jump from greater height. Here, child is able to jumps from the greater height and climbs ladder. Look at that picture. Child is 5 years of age child. They are able to climb the ladders. And then alternative feet when descending stairs. Baby without holding of any stairs. Okay, baby is alternate feet when descending the stairs. Baby is using alternate feet. Okay. Next, balance on one foot 8 to 10 seconds. Okay, this is about the gross motor development of the preschooler. Next, coming to the fine motor development. What is fine motor? Here the fine motor means because of development of the child's nervous system. Here they are using more skills with using of hands, fingers and then palms. Okay, these they are using in the fine motor development. Okay, in this fine motor we are assessing their development according to the age wise. Coming to the 3rd year of age group preschooler, their growth and fine motor development, that is child is able to build a tower, that is 9 to 10 blocks. At the same way, child is copies a circle and child is use scissors with one hand to cut. Look at that second picture. Child is cutting the paper with the scissors with using of one hand. At the same time, child shows preference to handedness. Here they are using skills. How they are producing with using of hands, okay, or fingers. Their skills are improved. Okay, this is about the 3rd year of preschooler fine motor development. Coming to the 4 years of age group child. Okay, how their fine motor activities is there means child can help with simple household task. Here child is able to uh, work with the household activities. Look at that picture. In that kitchen, boy is cleaning the articles, okay, utilities. Okay, look at that picture. And next one is 4 years old preschooler copies a squares, draw a simple face. Okay, these are the fine motor activities. Coming to the 5 years of age group preschooler, child is able to copy the triangle, cross vertical lines also child is able to draw, and then copies letters, may be able to print own names. By the 5 years of age group, child is able to write their own name with spellings. Okay, and next, draw a 3 body parts of a man. They can able to draw the 3 body parts, that is face, eyes, nose, hair, whatever it may be. They are able to draw the 3 body parts. Okay, these are the fine motor activities of the preschooler according to their ages. All of you clear? Next, coming to the psychosocial development of the preschooler. Here it is developed by the Erik Erikson. What is the growth and psychosocial development of preschooler means? Here the sense of initiative versus guilt. What is initiative versus guilt means? Here child is having independent and trustworthy. They are ready to find out what they can do. They are more interesting. Whatever we are giving one task, they are interested to do the activities with independent. Okay, and initiative activities with the others, that is the positive manner. Okay, they are initiating that activities with the others, that is a positive. If child is having criticism, underwent the criticism or control of child's, may develop the negative, that is guilt. Okay, if we are encouraging, they are initiate the activities, that is a positive way. Whenever we are criticizing that child or controlling child, by that time child is automatically develops the guilt, that is the negative. Okay, at the same way, child is having fear of darkness, dreams and nightmares known. Okay, nightmares also is there. At the same way, child is knows about their own sex. Here they can able to know their sex, whether they are boy or girl. This is about the psychosocial development of the preschooler. What is psychosocial development of the preschooler? That is sense of initiative versus guilt. What is the positive manner? Child is initiative all activities with the others, that is the positive. What is negative? Whenever we are criticizing that child or controlling that child, that time child is developing the guilt. That is about the psychosocial development. Okay, next, coming to psychosexual development. Here the psychosexual development, it is developed by the Sigmund Freud. What are the psychosexual development of preschooler is? That is phallic stage. Phallic stage means in this we are identifying the Oedipus complex and then electro complex. Here two complexes are we are identifying in phallic stage of the preschoolers. What are that? Oedipal complex. Oedipus complex means boys desire their mothers while experiencing an increased hostility towards their father. Okay, because in Oedipus complex, boys, they are having more affectionate, more communicate with their mothers compared to their fathers. Okay, coming to the Electra complex. Electra complex means girls want their fathers and find their mothers in their way. Here the Electra complex, girls, they are more concentrating their fathers, means how they are walking, how they are wearing shirt, how they are wearing pants, and then how they are looking, how they are talking, how they are combing, everything girl child is watching and they are behaving. That is called as Electra complex. What is Oedipus complex means boy child may follow the mother's activities. Means boy is doing washing the clothes, whatever their mother is doing, baby boy also is doing that activities. That is called as Oedipus complex. Okay, these two are comes under the phallic stage of the psychosexual development. All of you clear? Okay, look at these pictures. Okay, first picture, the term Oedipus complex was coined by the Sigmund Freud in the psychoanalytic theory. Look at that, son loves their mothers. Look at that second picture, daughter loves their father. That is, first one is Oedipus complex, second one is Electra complex. Are you understood? Look at another picture. Look at this. Mom loves boy. Here the son is loves their mothers. Daughter is loves their father. Okay, here the Electra complex and then Oedipus complex is there. All of you clear? This is about the psychosexual development of the preschooler. Okay, coming to the spiritual development. Here the spiritual development is developed by the flowers. Here he explained about preschooler spiritual development, that is intuitive projective faith. What is intuitive projective faith means? Child is imitates religious behavior such as bowing the head in the prayers, but they doesn't know and or did not understand the meaning. Simply how their parents, how their caregivers are following the spiritual activities, simply child is following that. For example, we are telling that when parents are went to the temple, automatically that child is folding their hands both. Okay, when the child is go to the church or they are attend the family prayers, that time automatically child is bowing their heads without telling of anything. Simply they are imitating their parents or caregivers. That is called as intuitive projective faith. It is mostly we are seen in the spiritual development of the preschoolers. Okay, just they are following or imitating their elders or caregivers. Okay, that is their religious activities they are imitating. That is about the spiritual development, intuitive projective faith. Coming to the intellectual development, it is developed by the Jean Piaget. In the age group preschoolers, intuitive phase is there, that is 4 to 7 years of age group. What is intuitive phase? Children can repeat event in play that occurred many hours or a day before, unable to accomplish true inductive or deductive reasonings. They doesn't know what is what, but they are following or playing what they are believing. Okay, here the beliefs that are objects in the environment are there to satisfy the human needs. For example, you know about what is inductive or deductive reasoning. Inductive reasoning is what happened here. The child, what they are thinking means the truth of the conclusion is inductive reason. Everything is truth. For example, in the forest, lions is there. That is the truth. Tigers is there. That is the truth. Animals is there in the forest. That is the truth. That is inductive reasoning. What is deductive reasoning? Which contrast to contrast means deductive reasoning means that lion that also may die somewhere or sometimes. That is deductive reasoning. Okay, that animal, the king of the animal in the forest, that also may die in sometimes. Okay, that is the deductive reasoning. Here the 4 to 7 years of age group, child may follow the inductive and then deductive reasonings. Are you clear? This is about the intuitive projective faith. Okay, or intuitive faith. Intuitive phase, that is 4 to 7 years of age group, intellectual development. Just they are believing that all objects are environment are there to satisfy the human needs. They doesn't know. Okay, it is harm to us. They doesn't know, but they are what they are thinking that They believe that environment is there to satisfy the human needs. That is the intellectual development of the preschoolers. All of you clear? Coming to the moral development, it is developed by the Kohlberg. In preschooler, moral development is, that is, pre-conventional morality stage 2. Pre-conventional morality, what is the meaning of pre-conventional morality? Means child may conforms to rules strictly for the purpose of self-interest, that is to avoid the punishment and to have favor returned. Did you got this point? Here in pre-conventional morality, they are conforming the rules for their sake only, for their purpose only. Whenever they are violating, that time also they are following the rules. Because of that, you told, I will give one example. Mom, you told me you go there. Because I went there, so I fell down. They are following some rules. They are conforming some rules to avoid the punishment. Okay, that is about the morality. Pre-conventional morality stage 2 is there in the preschoolers. Okay, all of you clear? And next, coming to the language and speech development of the preschooler. Whether we are taking 3 years, 4 years and 6 years of age group, how many words will be a child is able to speak? Means, if whether we are taking 3 years, child is able to speak 900 words. Whether we are taking 4 years of age group child is able to speak out 1500 words. 6 years of age group child may speak out 2100 words. This is about the language and speech development. Next, coming to the play. It is play is developed by the Newhall. In the preschoolers, play is cooperative play. Cooperative play. Child begins to exchange ideas with others, children, and gradually to interact with them in play activities. Okay, look at that picture. Both are playing with cooperatively. This cooperative play is mostly we have seen in the preschoolers only. In the infants, what type of play is there? Solitary play. They only individual self. They only playing self. That is infancy. Toddler, what it is there? Parallel play. Both are playing side by side. They won't interact with others. But in the preschoolers, cooperative play is there. They are exchanging their ideas with other children and gradually to interact with them in play activities. This is about the cooperative play. Mostly we have seen in the preschoolers. Okay. Next, coming to the nutrition. How much nutrition is needed for the preschoolers? Means, I will give one schedule. That is, calories is 1300 to 1500 calories is needed per day. Okay. Whenever we are taking protein, 3 grams per kg per day is needed. Okay. Fats is 4 to 5 grams per kg per day is needed for preschooler. Iron is 10 milligrams per kg per day is needed. Calcium 500 mg per kg per day is needed for the preschooler. Fluids 90 to 100 ml per kg per day is needed. This is about the nutrition is required for the preschooler. All of you clear? Okay. Next, coming to the developmental problems of the preschoolers. Developmental problems here, so many developmental problems and health problems is there in the preschoolers. First one is child is developed the selfishness. They want themselves only. They won't give their sibling also. If they are having any toy or any food, they are more selfish. Mostly we have seen in the preschoolers only. Okay. And coming to second point, they are hurting the others. Okay. By talking, they are hurting the others. I will give one example. When they went to the school, what they are telling? The English ma'am is very nice compared to the Max ma'am. They are in front of them only they are telling. Okay. At the same way, their neighbors also, you are not looking good compared to my mom. They told that you are black in color compared to my mom. Okay, like that they are hurting the others. The same way, next one is destructiveness. Immediately they are destructing the situations whenever it is not favor themselves, that time they are destructive the situations. And here child is having enuresis. Enuresis means here involuntary urination. Okay, here child is automatically unable to control the bladder, so involuntary urination will be there, that is called as enuresis. And next one is encopresis. Encopresis means involuntary defecation associated with the emotional distress. Here the preschoolers age group, no, they went to schools, preschools, because of urgency, because of impaired bowel control. What happened means involuntary defecation is there whenever they are associated with the emotional stress, whether madam is asking something, any some questions, that child that time automatically baby is passing the motion, that is encopresis. Next one is child is having bad language. They doesn't know whether that is good or bad, but they are using bad words. Okay, they are attracting the bad words, so bad language is mostly present in this age group children's. And next one is masturbation. Masturbation means manipulation of the sexual organs. For example, male child is manipulate their scrotum and their penis. Female child is manipulating the vagina. Okay, that is about the masturbation is there. And finally developmental problem, that is sibling rivalrism. Child is having rivalrism with their brothers or sisters. Okay, sibling rivalrism, they are always they are compared to their siblings. Why? He my brother is having that color shirt, I want that. Why? My brother is wearing this type of uh, anything cap, I want that. Like that they are having more sibling rivalrism. Okay, these are the developmental problems we are identifying the preschoolers. Okay, coming to the health problems. Here the most of preschoolers having health problems, that is dental caries, because of deciduous teeth is there, no, it is because of unhygienic dental unhygienic mouth care. Okay, child is having dental caries. And next health issue is health problem is nutritional deficiency. Mostly in preschoolers only we are identifying, that is under 5 children only we are identifying nutritional deficiency disorders, that is kwashiorkor marasmus. We are identifying the uh, rickets, kwashiorkor, protein energy malnutrition in the preschoolers. And finally health problem of the preschooler is worm infestations, because they are exchanging their things, means automatically uh, one boy, they are going to the schools, no, kindergarten, they are exchanging the things while playing, that time because of that automatically they are inserting their objects or their play materials, they are keep their hands in the mouth, so worms are traveling. Okay, because they doesn't know clean the how to clean hands before and after defecation. At the same way, child is not underwent proper toilet training. That time also it may produce the worm infestations. These three are the health problems in the preschoolers. Next, coming to the needs of the preschooler. What are the needs for the preschoolers? Means here, first one is love and security. Child is needed more, and independency. Here we are increasing the independency, because emotional development is what it is there. Initiative versus guilt. Okay, here we should initiate, we are encouraging the child independent. And next need is managing bedtime problems, because of early toilet training child may unable to manage the bedtime problems. I said no, enuresis also is there, because nighttime bladder control also is not there properly in the preschoolers, so that also one of the need. Next one is discipline leading self control. We should encourage that child to follow some disciplinary activities. Okay, you should wake up at 6 o'clock. You should tell that. Okay, don't use bad language. Okay, you give respect to your elders. Don't argue with your siblings. That like that you should encourage the preschooler. You should maintain the discipline leading the self control. And next one is maintaining the nutritional needs. Parents or caregivers should maintain proper nutrients. For example, calories minimum 1300 to 1500 kilocalories per day is needed. We should fulfill that. Protein, fat, iron, calcium, fluids also we should maintain properly. And next one is prevention of accidents. Because of child is grass motor development, child is able to ride the tricycle, able to participate the play activities. So that time some accidents also will be there, poisoning and everything. We have to prevent that. Prevention of prevent the accidents. Okay, that also one of the need. And next one is respect individuality of the child. We should respect the child's individuality, whether they are doing. You should ask, parents should ask, why you are doing this, for what purpose you are doing. Don't punish the children. Okay, that is one. That is the respect individuality of the child. And final here next one is help to expand their skills in the develop there. Okay, we should help them their expanding of the skills. And next need is potential and mastery of the self control. Here we should encourage the child. Okay, potential and mastery of the self control. How to manage their words, their language, and then how to manage the toilet training, how to manage the um, neurosis and anchroposis, everything. Okay, that is about the needs. And set limits to child's behavior and then security. And toilet training, napping, healthy practices, and play indoor and outdoor activities, dental